I'm gonna do this little patio. So let me kind of step out for a moment before we go in. And we're basically gonna highlight this little space right here, and then you can see Grand Lisboa casinos all the way to the straight to the top. So I think that they're also gonna try to get some good photos. So I think they're trying to get that photo with that right there, which is kind of cool. And they're also gonna get it as well. And we're gonna film around here a little bit, and then we're gonna go inside as well. And that's our target right there. And then all the way down you can see Grand Lisboa. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, that's our alleyway. So we're gonna kind of come around a little bit, and we're just going to show you what's in here a little bit, including all the artwork. And a lot of people here are trying to take a good photo because there's a great view of Grand Lisboa from here. This is also Tercina right here. All this kind of cool stuff everywhere. So there's Grand Lisboa, so you can see the angle that everybody's trying to get at. And actually that casino is kind of cool because it's at a position where a lot of people will try to capture the images of it. So very, very cool. Okay, so let's go on into our target street. Our target street is kind of small, so we'll put all the context of all the rest in it. And we're also going to highlight this building right here because it's also kind of part of it too, right? We got an active shrine. This one I see all the time too. And I've studied him a little bit and I always forget his name, so if you could let me know who it is. But yeah, he has a red face and he has like a very warrior appearance, very strong energy. Oh, this one has a bunch of them in here. So we're gonna go all the way down to the end. So yeah, these little patios, are marked because they're basically like you got the main streets and then they venture off and they build these little patios, and it's like more like families, community, basically more community, sometimes families. I think originally it was families. It's kind of cool that that leads up to there. You got the beautiful wall right there too. So I think that wall, I can't remember but I think they used to have kind of walls around certain locations, and I think that would mark the where the Portuguese were at compared to, so I think that has some meaning to it. I've seen some maps of the walls, but I kind of I can't visualize it quite so well right from where we're located right now. So this is kind of a traditional patio. You can also see too, because it has the this little Chinese wall right here. Some of the patios have that, and this one has it as well. So okay, so we're gonna walk out into our main street. It's kind of interesting. Okay, so we are going to walk down a little ways. I'm just going to put a little bit of context Just kind of show you this some other streets in here, like this Travessa de Dorna. It's just down the way, and also there's these other ones across the way over here too. So this is a little bit of a art street, Chonsao. It looks a little bit different right now, but before they'd had all these art installations here, and you can kind of see a little bit of it here. Sake corner. This one looks like kind of set up as a bar as well. But yeah, they used to have art installations that would go down in the middle. That's a little bit away from our target. So our target is at Patio. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go down this alley. And then that alley, we're gonna kind of show you this other little spot where kind of older people will. Here it is. So our patio's down that way. And we're gonna come down this way. This will all make sense in a little bit. But we have the Invernario street right here, which is kind of marked by the black and white tiles. Then we have this little one down here, and a new restaurant. So we're just gonna walk. I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of go through it, and I'm gonna come back down. So it's kind of an interesting alley because you have lots of different stuff, including these bird cages right here. This is Travessa de Dorna. Okay, so let's come back down this way. So we're gonna go down this alley. It's kind of interesting how you can be on a busy street and then come down into a quiet street. And then these little alleys and these little this is a little moon gate right here. Tudogong, the woman that's always that he's with in Macau often, Guan Yin. And then there's like a monkey one as well. I think that's monkey. Okay. So we're gonna head down this way, and then our target street is gonna be back right here. And you can see our little alley right there, and you can also see all these kind of other cool buildings everywhere as well, including that yellow one. It's dilapidated, but it's quite a beautiful building actually. I hope they restore that one and make it back. Okay. There's definitely more stuff to explore down that way, but that would be a whole other video. But I think the main one we wanted to do is this one. We're gonna, I'm gonna just kind of come back in a second. And that was it, a little patio. Patio das Calhandras. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.